Hi, I'm Todd and I'm a restaurateur and cookbook author, and I'm super proud to be a part of the Guest Chef series with Chefgood. I've fallen in love with Indian cuisine, and that's what I really wanted to bring into my Guest Chef collaboration with Chefgood. The inspiration came from my restaurant in Goa. So the South Indian flavours are something that I've really fallen in love with. They're really fragrant, quite light, and a perfect meal for summer. So I've created a South Indian prawn curry with coconut rice. It's fragrant, it's light, and it's very flavoursome. The vibrance of this curry looks incredible and it smells even better. Yum. I've also created a vegetarian South Indian curry. It's loaded with roast pumpkin and served with a coconut rice. This is such a beautiful dish because it feels like you're getting really nourished, but it has so much flavour, and the fact that it's completely vegan is amazing. Such beautiful aromats going on here. This really is one of my favourite dishes from India, and I can smell exactly why. To order my meals, head over to chefgood.com.au.